What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Out here doing a solo mission. It is 6 p.m. and it is 97 degrees. Toasty. And I've been trying this spot a few times here and there this year, and it just hasn't produced, but I'm super glad I came back today. For some reason, something keeps like, you ever get a feeling that just brings you back to a spot and you should continue to try? That's what this place has been doing to me. It's a super cool little spot, little waterfall, dam, spillway, ton of rock, ripple, and a couple deep holes. But I haven't been here since the big rains we've had, and it's totally different within like 3 weeks. Sandbar has like completely eroded away. It used to go all the way out to here, like all the way down. It's like a ton of this is missing. This looks actually deeper. That sandbar was never there before, and like all this brush and everything is washed up here. You could tell the water was clear up here based off of all the debris. And yeah, big log jam up there. There used to be a few other log jams over there. They're gone. That's even bigger. Yeah, I don't know. If I could get to that sandbar, I have a feeling I would do better, because that's the deep hole along that bank. But things might have changed. It might be shallow and like the whole thing could be deep right now. I really don't know. Some ducks down there. I don't know what's gonna happen. I do have night crawlers. I got some live bait that I need to get rid of because I don't think I'm gonna be able to fish for like a week. So I need to get these actually in the water so they don't toast. But I've had this bait for a couple days that I caught, and need to get it out of my garage because I don't think they're gonna survive much longer. But the goal is a flathead. Don't know if it's reachable right now because of the spawn, but like Spencer, River Certified, says they don't all spawn at once, so still a chance, just less fish to fish for. But hopefully there's a big hungry one down in there. I got a few bullheads, and yeah, we got plenty of night crawlers to hopefully catch some other stuff. But come along with us. Let's explore this new but old spot. It's gonna be new to the channel because I haven't successfully made a video, but it's like a whole new spot to me because this place looks totally different. Well, we only have 3 baits because I just dropped one out of the water and one was dead. So hopefully we don't get snagged, but that could be a huge dilemma. Before there wasn't very many, but now that the creek has changed so much, it could be a huge difference in snags and stuff. So I don't think he's going anywhere, but mouth hook, sinker slide, 4 ounce on the bullhead. Just try to get this over there. Actually, I'm gonna just cast this one here because I can. All right, that's not that deep at all because it's like 4 foot, but so it's almost deeper right next to this bank. But the current comes right there, more so than the other side. I don't know, I don't really feel that great about that. Holy shit. I did it. Okay, it's not snagged. It's also not much deeper. So, we'll roll with it. We will roll with it for now. Looks like, seems like it shallowed up a lot. It's wild. It's a cool little waterfall though. Seems like it's wild. It seems like it's flowing more than it was the last time I was here, but also the water's way lower based off all these rocks, so yeah, it's weird. I don't understand creeks and shit. Oh shit, we got something big. Right away, first cast. What do we got? Oh, it's a decent channel cat. That's pretty cool. Better than a carp. Immediately. As soon as the night crawler hit. Come here, buddy. It's a nice little channel. Okay, that's kind of cool. Had to go back for a night crawler anyways, but I'm gonna need a new jig head. We got something. Oh, get off of there. Another channel. A little bit smaller. But same kind of deal. Don't want to get poked here. Or need the pliers. I got something. I don't know what this is. What do we got? Come back this way. No. He's all the way on the other side. It looks like another catfish. And it feels pissed. Get out of there, there's snags. That's another channel. Just a little pissed off. Huh. It's 3 catfish. It's a little bit bigger than the first one. Chill. There we go. This is fun. This is fun. I just keep hoping that one of these is a flathead, just like a baby one I'd be okay with. Just to like, let me know that they're here. But 3 channels, just flipping a night crawler on these, that's cool. Let's go back to the falls. Try right here. I think I got some room from my cat rod. They haven't gotten hit, but that doesn't really surprise me a whole ton based off of how shallow it is over there and spawn. Tomorrow's a full moon. Don't know. Trying to learn more about the moon phases and stuff. I know it can play a huge role in like flathead fishing. So yeah, I'm not sure if that makes a whole difference or not. Oh, we got a channel cat. No, we don't. What is that? That is a grass carp, I think. I'll have to ask Josh, but I'm pretty sure that's my first ever grassy. No, that's a shiner. I'm pretty sure that's a golden shiner. I'm not 100% positive. I'm like 40%. Now looking at his face, I'm like 60% sure that's a grass carp and 40% sure it's a shiner, but I'm leaning towards grass carp. Either way, that was kind of cool in that spot. If I was really hurting for bait and they were getting hit, it would be a great bait size fish. Josh said it's a common carp. Just the tiniest common carp I've probably ever got. I got a channel. I felt that guy hit. Smallest one so far. About guarantee this is what's been gnawing on my night crawler Carolina rig. These little suckers. Oh, the size of the bullhead I'm using for bait. Basically right now I got my family reunion coming up here in August, the second week. So don't have many weekdays off the next couple weeks, so literally gonna be working and fishing, bearing this heat. Like today I waited till like 6 to go out after work, got off at 3, but might have to do some early morning stuff and evening stuff to just get out and fish, but I'm not quitting just because it's warm out and the fishing's tough. Places like this are perfect when it gets super hot. These fish need current, need oxygen, and this has both. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that little sucker. I don't even know how he got the hook in. That is just disappointing. They were bigger up at the tip of the waterfall. I understand why my Carolina rig's just getting sucked off all the night crawler. You got a bunch of those floating around. That's all right. We're going back to the top. Seemed like they were bigger up there. I'm gonna be leaving soon here anyways. It's about that time of night. It's so weird how... Oh, there we go. Right away. So many of them up here. It's so weird how on top of the waterfall has stagnant, nasty the water is coming down the waterfall. That one's hooked a lot better. Thanks for playing. Night crawlers are always nice to have on hand, because otherwise we would have been sitting watching those two flathead rods for hours and been very disappointed. And this keeps our mind off of that and still get to yank a few fish in, you know. That's pretty cool how it falls and then immediately gets hit. They're just sitting down there waiting for food. Oh, we got another one. Tyke. Every single one that I've caught has had like leeches or parasites on them, so definitely will not ever be doing a catch and cook out of this creek. There we go, even farther down. And have my night crawler. Some of those out of here. I'm not catching the same one over and over. I don't know how many that is at this point, but I don't really care. It's fun. Catching fish in a different way that I ever have. We got two species. Oh, Mr. Bullhead, you get to live to see another day there. Didn't get the flathead once again, but we're not done trying. That was the main goal for this year, and I haven't got one yet. It is July 25th. It's almost August. And, yeah, that's just part of it. They are, very tough species of fish to catch, and I'm trying my best to learn the most about them and try different areas for them. I sat for 3 days, 3 separate hours per day at one spot that has produced some giants in the past near my house, and caught one that was like 2 pounds, so technically caught one. But they are, from what I've been hearing, probably full spawn right now. So there's not very many around to begin with, so it makes it a little harder. We got out today, even though it was 100 degrees. It's 8 o'clock now, the sun's getting there. we had a blast. I didn't expect to catch too much, maybe a couple carp here and there, but flipping a night crawler up in the waterfall and catching that many channels was pretty fun. One was about 4 pounds, so that's pretty cool, but I don't think we'll be back to this spot anytime soon. Just I think that was the closure I needed to start venturing out to other places. But thank you guys for all the support on all the videos recently. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you want to see me come back and kayak this, or kayak any creek in general and do some fishing like that. That will give me an opportunity to dove belt landed on me. Opportunity to kind of fish some more area. We've got a month out from dove season. September 1st, we'll be here before we know it. Also our teal opener, this is the same exact day. I think this might be the first year I'm skipping teal. It's hot, muggy, the pressure's insane around my area on public water, and yeah, doves are more fun and less work, and taste better, to be honest. If you haven't yet, read down in the description, big giveaway, duck goose hunt giveaway, some merch giveaway, some Waterlands gear giveaway, all the details down below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.